Hello friends, how are you doing today? Good afternoon. So I wanted to touch on this topic, touching upon it because at least like 4-5 of the people who are very close to me, they've reached out seeking clarity on this matter. First of all, I'm going to start with, again, this is why HR people always advise that candidates take time to go through the offer letter before signing. I mean, because out of excitement, you just rush to sign. You don't go through all of the clauses embedded in an offer letter. And we have preached about taking the time. You are not under duress to sign an offer letter immediately. Take the time to go through the letter before signing. However, this thing that these friends of mine have reached out about is about in lieu of notice. So it goes several ways. One of the way, I think you find this under disengagement terms or termination clause, depends on how the organization decides to word it. If the organization wants to lay off an employee and they want to do that with immediate effect, it means that the organization would have to pay 1 month in lieu of notice to this employee, or give the employee a 1 month notice. But if you want the employee to leave immediately, you pay 1 month in lieu. For the employee, if the employee wants to leave immediately, now, why I said earlier that it goes several ways is some organizations go as far as saying whether you are confirmed or unconfirmed, you would give 1 month notice. Some organizations have left it open. They don't specify whether you should be confirmed or not. They just leave it as you give 1 month notice period before leaving. But I think it's best it is clearly stated, because some organizations also have said for unconfirmed staff, you give 2 weeks notice. For confirmed staff, you give 1 month notice. However, some organizations, again, they've said whether confirmed or unconfirmed, you have to give a month's notice. However, if this is the case, please honor what has been signed. If the organization did not state whether you should be unconfirmed or confirmed at the time you want to go, and they just say give 1 month's notice, please give 1 month's notice before you go. Otherwise, you would owe the company a 1 month salary. I hope this is clear. My name is Awele Davis, and I actually hope I've been able to address this issue because, like I mentioned, I've had several friends, seeking clarity. Oh, what if I spent 1 week and I want to leave? What if I spend only 2 weeks and I want to leave? What if the organization didn't specify whether I should be confirmed or not? So it really depends on what was signed, right? They can specify unconfirmed, they can specify confirmed, whatever it is, whatever you have signed, kindly just to honor the agreement for peace.